Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change the number of decimal places on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my table, and for example, I'm going to change the number of the decimal places of this score column. As you can see here, we have three decimal places and we're going to change it. First of all guys, we can select the score column like this. You can tap and hold on the column, then you can drag it down, and after that you can click on this A icon, and here we have a lot of options. Then you just need to click on this icon to change the decimal places. And just for your information guys, this is the new look of this Google Sheets mobile. If you have updated your Google Sheets mobile, so you will get this look. And for example guys, I'm going to reduce the decimal places. We can click on this icon to reduce it like this, and if you want to increase the number of the decimal places, we can click on this icon. It's up to you, and I'm going to reduce it, for example. Then now the decimal places have been changed, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the number of decimal places on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.